Start setting up channel posts. Send a start to your bot and click Channel Setting. Now select your channel and you can view the channel's basic information. Once verified, click Post and then New Post. Here, you can configure text, media, button for your post. Set text. Reply with your text. Text updated successfully. Set media. Select images, videos, or files. Media updated successfully. Set button. Enter the content according to the format in the prompt. You can also directly copy the example, then send it after editing. Button updated successfully. After completing the above configurations, click here to preview this message. Next, you'll see two features here. You can choose to enable them based on your needs. Preview link. When enabled, there will be a preview of your link in your post. Pin. When enabled, this post will be pinned in your channel. Now click Next Step. You can choose to post now to publish immediately. Or you can click Schedule to set a future publishing time. You can either choose today directly or enter the date according to the format in the prompt. After setting the date, select the specific hour and minute the time follows your configured time zone. Finally, click Confirm and Post. The post will be published in the channel at the scheduled time.